Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Pipedrive in just a few minutes. Whether you need a backup, want to analyze your data, or share it with your team, this simple process will help you do it quickly. Start by opening the Contacts section from the left-hand sidebar. This will display your main contact list with details like name, organization, email, and more. At the top of the list, you may see filters or search criteria applied. Keep in mind that whatever is currently visible on your screen is what will be exported, so if you only need a specific group of contacts, make sure your filters are set correctly before continuing. Next, go to the top right of the contact list and click on the three dots icon. This will open a menu with more options. From there, select Export Filter Results. Now choose your preferred file format. Select Excel if you want a file that's easy to open and format in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. Choose CSV if you need a lightweight format that works with most systems and is ideal for large datasets or importing into other tools. After selecting the format, Pipedrive will generate your file and download it to your computer. You can rename the file to include details like the date or filter used, so it's easier to identify later. And that's it. Just open Contacts, click the three dots menu, select Export, choose your format, and download your file. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.